What's taking so long? I'm hungry.
One moment. Almost ready.
Alright.
Okay. Here you go.
Did you put sweet in this? Is that supposed to be beef stew? That's disgusting. Hopefully the cornbread will be good. Ugh. This is hard as a rock. They can do anything right? You know, I also noticed you can't even make my bed. Is there something wrong with you? Hello? Where are you going?
You have hands, don't you? Make your own food.